This free tutorial will show you how to bookmark a website using Safari search engine or browser completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, a bada bing bada boom, bookmark a website on Safari completely for free. I basically have Safari opened and click on the website that you want to basically bookmark right here. So it might open. Oh wait, what? Whoops. So once the website has been opened up and loaded, you want to basically click at the middle hand screen or click down, as you can see. And it's basically going to pull up this website. Under the URL, click the middle icon right here, which is the share icon, and then scroll underneath and then click add bookmark, which is the third option. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can change the name. There's the icon or logo. Click save on the top right hand screen. And then to access your bookmark, click the fourth option to the right of the share icon. And as you can see, when you click on the first option, the book reading icon, you can scroll down and now you can access your bookmark on Safari for free on website. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.